about yourself, so my viewers like to know about you.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Hey everyone, my name is Lakshmi. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I'm a professional. I'm a teacher. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. I'm a mother. I'm a homemaker also. Yeah, this is about all about my, myself. Thank you, Sonam, for being an opportunity in my, in your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining me. At least I'm waiting for you, and you are giving me your valuable time to me for connecting me. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
So actually, I also make a making my video for my learning and improving my English. So that is why I was connecting. I'm connecting with you to know more about how to learn my English, how to do a more practice my English. So could you please something your experience and your knowledge, something share about me?
Exactly, exactly. Sonam, learning, thing is that, if you have that interest, if you have that burning desire, if you want improve your communication skills, then it's the best things. I want to tell best things. For practice, give your time. Spend your time. Per day, 5 hours, at least 5 hours. That is the
Okay.
maximum. Minimum 3 hours, maximum 5 hours. That is how you will in your childhood no you don't know how to walk and how to talk, how you learn same like that, we are all kids in English language, no, at English language, but we have to try from childhood onwards. Yeah, then you have to practice more and more, give the 80% or 90% for speaking, then
Yes.
after
Okay.
10% or 20% for listening, reading and writing. 80, whenever you give you spend your time for speaking, then you will get more and more experience. We have to open up our mouth, we have to speak with with friends, with colleagues or whatever it may be. And it practice is most important to speak or learn any language, to improve your communication skills. Without practice we can't achieve, at the same time, you have to record your own voice. It is also
Okay.
when type of how you are pronouncing that words, and how you are where you are doing mistakes, and no, you have to translate your from your mother tongue to no your English language. Take a story, a small story, then try to translate
Okay.
in your mother tongue. Or otherwise, whatever you will do, whenever you woke up at that time, no, at that time onwards, and whenever you go to bed, up to now, whatever you did a whole day, then you no create a story, make a story,
Okay.
then write it in your own sentences, and try to analyze yourself. That is very
Okay.
important. Yeah, and how we are eating, sleeping, drinking, everything in English language. Okay,
Okay.
everything no, you have to create your surroundings in English environment.
Yes.
Always
Yes. That
try
is a very
to
important thing.
speak. Exactly. Try to speak more and more. Imagine yourself in English language. Think in English language. Everything,
Okay.
yeah. Totally, you have to forget about your mother tongue. Why? Because of from your childhood and onwards, you are speaking. It's well and good. I'm not. I don't I don't want to blame mother tongue. Mother tongue is very very important. It's our heart. At the same time, now we have to learn improve our communication skills. For that, we have to speak and we have to put our whole efforts to learn that language. That is the
Okay.
reason. Yeah, that is the reason you have to speak more and more, practice more and more, and cope up with friends, and spend your more time to improve your communication skills. Yeah.
Yes, yes, it's very important, and whatever the suggestion is giving is a very good. People, if like anyone, if you want they improve their English, so they have to do that kind of practice. And I also do my practice in this way, whatever you are saying, ma'am. And I was thinking I improve a lot in this way because I all the time thinking in English because we when we are going to think, then we have to be like speak the English. So that's very important thing of English. So I want to know, ma'am, because you are speaking very fluently English, so how you start your journey of English? Can you please just explain about this thing?
Yeah, yeah, sure, Poonam. And I started my journey. I completed my B.Ed in 2010. After that, I
Okay.
want to I didn't get the chance to do job as a teacher. I'm a professional, I'm a teacher. But after that, I again I started my education journey in 2017. Why? Because of necessity is
Okay.
the mother of invention. I love English subject. Then whenever I go to any school, then they ask me, do you have any specialization in English subject? But I don't have at that time. And after, I wrote it PG set, and I joined as a MA English, and I successfully completed in this last academic year, last year, in this
Okay.
after lockdown. Yeah,
Okay.
at the time whenever I go to school 2007, they all ask me, do you have do you have no communication skills and you have no subject knowledge and everything. Then after, oh God, my mind is blank. Oh God, without communication skills, particularly in teaching field, we can't survive. Why? Because of
Yes.
from every school they have to it's a mandated thing to speak in English language. For that reason, just I started using BuddyTalk app.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, BuddyTalk app is no, it's a good and app. I improved a lot, and using 1 month I used, and after 2 or 3 months I installed. Why? Because of because of my semester exams. Then I install
Okay.
again, install like that. This process is going on. Last year whenever lockdown started, and we got that coronavirus. Last year I joined in WhatsApp groups. I'm the admin of
Okay.
4 WhatsApp groups. Yeah, I'm an admin of 4 WhatsApp groups, and I join in WhatsApp groups, and it's very helpful to improve more and more, practice more and more with the with the boys, with the guys, guys are there, both are there. Then I and I'm using a Hello application also. It's very useful for learners. Hello,
Okay.
HALLO. And it's a paid app. If you wanna practice, or if you wanna speak with the teachers, then it's you have to pay $10 per month. If you don't want pay, then you have to speak with other people also, native speakers also, using that
Oh,
option Instamatch. Instamatch.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then it is better to practice with that app also. Hello application, HALLO Hello application. You go to the Play Store, and you will get that app Hello application. And after that, yeah, I'm taking live streams in that whole application, and I'm getting motivation from that people, from the teachers also. They are they are also doing great, and they're teaching very well in a very well manner. And I learned a lot of things. This is all about my journey is all about practice, practice, practice. I don't want to
Okay.
I don't want to waste my time in a 5 or 10 minutes also. I always
Okay.
imagine English language, think in English language, and I will teach my kid to in English language.
Yes. So
Yeah,
I
try
can
to
say
speak.
you're indulging yourself a lot of time for this language, so that you are become now fluent.
Yeah,
So that's a very good thing, and I also practice this thing for my improvement. Hope so. I will be speak like you because you're speaking so fluently, and I will
yeah.
very inspired by you to watch your video, your YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel is also so good. Good kind of video is available, and I highly recommend it to my all viewer to visit your channel also and watch their video. It's so much knowledgeable thing people can learn and improve their English. So it's very good, ma'am. And you are giving a valuable time to me for connecting me. It's good for me, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Poonam. Yeah, have a great day, Priyal. Yeah, take care. Yeah, yeah, bye
Thank you.
bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye bye.
Yeah, yeah, bye bye. Take care.